Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. You know what's coming up this weekend, right? Super Bowl. And you'll probably be getting together with your friends. If you're hosting a party for the big game, you'll need some finger foods. I've posted several in the past, and here's another tasty one to add to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pepper jack cheese sticks. I'm sure you have these before with mozzarella cheese, but I have to say they are much more flavorful with pepper jack. Served with marinara sauce, these will be a big hit at your party. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine flour and cayenne pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients, transfer to a large resealable plastic bag, and set aside for now. Next, we'll prep 2 shallow bowls, one with beaten eggs and the other one with fine breadcrumbs, which we'll add Italian seasoning to. Then we'll blend the 2 ingredients together. So here are the cheese sticks that are about 3.5 by 1/2 inch square. It's important to have them the same size so they fry evenly. Now, working in batches, we'll drop the cheese sticks in a flour mixture, close the bag, and shake it until they are well coated. Next, taking one at a time, we'll dip the stick in the eggs and then in the breadcrumb mixture. We'll repeat this again by coating in the eggs and breadcrumbs after. By double dipping, we create a thicker coating and make them crispier. We'll place the breaded sticks on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat. If you don't have one, use wax paper. When they're all braided, we'll transfer to the freezer for 30 minutes. So half an hour later, we're ready to fry them. Make sure your oil temperature is between 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Taking the sticks directly out of the freezer, we'll transfer them in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the frying pan. Using a stainless steel strainer, we'll gently move them around so they fry evenly. It won't take very long before they're cooked, about a minute or so. When they get nice and golden brown, we'll remove from the oil and transfer them to a rack sitting on a baking sheet lined with paper towels. We'll let them sit for 5 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is how pepper jack cheese sticks. This is a great finger food recipe for any party. Crispy and chewy with a little heat, this is a flavorful twist on an old favorite. You can serve these yummy sticks with marinara sauce, ranch, or blue cheese dressing. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!